Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. He who knows does not speak, he who speaks does not know. Mastering others is strength, mastering oneself is true power. Silence is a source of great strength. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be. The wise man is one who knows what he does not know. The softest things in the world overcome the hardest things in the world. Act without expectation. Nature's way is simple and easy, but men prefer what is intricate and artificial.